Hi guys, welcome back. So this is a little follow-up video from the last video I did. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it either up here or up here for you guys to go and watch. Go and have a little look at that one. But basically I had some problems in that video which meant it slowed my day right down. Now a lot of people in there said that they would like to see this job when it's all finished. So it's not quite finished, but we've come a long way. So I'm going to flip you guys around now, give you a little walk around and show you what stage we're at and show you where we are. But I'm going to put a little clip in now of the problem that I had so you guys can watch that and just see where we were. So that'll roll now. Okay, so we've run into a little snag on these door linings. If I show you guys here, this is the old door lining here, and this one, if you can see that, hopefully that'll focus, is 20mm thick. These are 27mm thick. So what that means is that the physical door lining, if I cut it to the correct size, isn't going to go in these openings because these are really tight anyway. Now, I could cut them down, put them in, but then that would mean I'd have to cut the edges off the doors, put new lip-ins in, and that's going to be a whole heap of problem. So I'm very fortunate that I've obviously got the workshop. So what I'm going to do is take these door linings away with me today, run them all down to 20mm through the planer thicknesser. So that's going to get over that issue. I will still have to reduce these a little bit because, like I said, these are really tight and I don't want to be that tight. So it means I'll only have to take about 5mm off the door, which is going to be a lot better in the long run rather than taking like 30 odd mil off of the doors. So yeah, that's going to get over that problem. But so now you guys have seen that, you'll know what the problem was. And I just want to show you how it come out in the end, because like I said, a lot of guys wanted to see the end product on this one. So let me flip you around and here we go. Like you can see, I'm still set up, I'm still working in here, but we've made some massive progress in here. We've got all of our, excuse the lighting, it's shocking. We'll do that wall, might be able to see better. But we've got all of our doors, architraves, linings all in. We've got door stops and bits and pieces round, so that's all good. Doors working nicely, as you can see. I'll take it out of this one. I'll take it into this one because lighting's a bit better. But here we go, like I can see, it's all gone quite nicely. This was the little join that I did around that socket, so that's not come out too bad. I've had a few people say on that one that they don't think I should have done that. I don't really know what else I could have done, to be honest. You know, the socket's there, do you know what I mean? So it is what it is, but I've still got the bathroom door to change because that needs changing. So that one, but I'm going to do that as a whole tomorrow, and I've still got this one to finish here. But as you can see, skirts all round, all looking good, and that one there is looking nice. So I'm going to get this door finished up now. I'll record that for you guys just so you can see the progress, and then yeah, we'll round up afterwards. nothing more satisfying than that. Just a door shutting properly with no rattles. Cannot get better than that. But yeah, there you go, guys. I know this was a little bit of a weird one, but just some of you guys just wanted a little update on this job and to see how it got on. So I'm going to leave it there. There is another video in the series, but it's a members only video. So if you want to go and see that, hit that little join button down there and you'll see that video pop up there for you guys. But yeah, I'm going to call this one there, guys. Thanks for watching. If you've got anything from this video at all, hit that little like button for me. Really helps me. If you've got any questions whatsoever, hit me down in the comments and I'll get back to you guys on that. But I'm going to call this one there, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.